You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is z equals -3/4. Let's solve it step by step. Group all z terms on the left side of the equation. Add 5z to both sides. Group like terms. Group the coefficients. Convert the integer into a fraction. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Subtract 4 from both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. Convert the integer into a fraction. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Isolate the z. Multiply both sides by inverse fraction 3/13. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the fraction. Multiply the fractions. Simplify the arithmetic. And so the final result is z equals -3/4.